Hey everybody, Spirit Team is insisting that I come on and do some energy update, spiritual consciousness update, energy news kind of stuff because huge things are going on right now and I'm not camera appropriate. My energy is just tanked right now, but this is just way too important to wait and report on it later. Is really important that you know it right now. So those of you who have been following along with me, you know that the window of April 14th, 15th was like really big on the horizon for us. And even before then, I mean, we're just in the window of like big and then big and then big and then big. And so what I want you to know is like, it's happening. Whatever this it thing is, like it is happening. It is happening in like big energy waves that we're feeling on very subtle energy levels. And the thing that I just keep rerunning in my head, and I'm just going to take you back and give you like the big picture so you can see how big it is right now. And I'll be doing videos later on in this. I'm just trying to encapsulate it right now. And I want to date stamp time. This is like, I am recording this on Wednesday, April the 15th, right around 9:30-ish Pacific Daylight Time in the Pacific Northwest. And so just to give you a scope of the big picture in that, like it was towards the end of March 2026 here this spring that many of us felt like the space-time continuum collapsed. There were a lot of neurospicy people and psychics and a lot of people in the spectrum who were like, oh my God, something happened and we're no longer walking in the old earth. We're walking in the new earth. And so we had that event happen, okay? And then over Easter weekend, equinox, Easter, the April 5th date, we had an event where Spirit Team was basically, and this was the Chris Bledsoe, the cusp of the Chris Bledsoe stuff, where Spirit Team over that weekend basically was saying a lot of people are completing their ascension cycles. The ascension cycling is getting complete for a lot of folks. I reported on that. You guys saw that update, right? So we moved out of that, and then this last round, and this, for me, it happened on April the 12th. It might be happening for you on other dates, just depending on your fluctuations with astrology and with Schumann's. Yes, I'm going to talk about Schumann's. We've been getting blasted off and on with Schumann's. So over the weekend, I went through a lot of my own energy stuff, and Spirit Team came to me and they basically boomed through me. They're like, it is the time of the Great Awakening. And I was like, wait a minute. What about the 1987 convergence, the 1992-93 concordance, and then what about the 12-21-12 end of the Mayan calendar, and then what about all the timeline jumps we've been doing since 2023? Like those have all been the Great Awakenings. And Spirit Team basically was like, those were warm-ups. Those were warm-ups. And me, you all know me and my cussing habit. I was like, what the fuck? What the fuck? So, we've gradually been heating up, warming up, heating up. They've all been awakenings. They've all been awakenings. But what Spirit Team thundered, boomed to me through that big opening over the weekend and the blast. I mean, if you were watching Schumann's, there was an absolute wall of light come through. I'm going to talk about that in future videos. During that wall of light that came through with that Schumann's over the weekend, right around the April 12th window, Spirit Team was like, it is the time of the Great Awakening. And I had my wait a moment, guys. And they basically showed me, they're like, Dana, what happens? This is the kickoff right now, the window we're in, April 12th through April the 15th. This is the kickoff for a much grander Great Awakening that happens over the next freaking 10 years. This is the kickoff, folks. Everything else has been warm up, getting ready, getting our legs underneath us, doing all of our stuff with our coding and recoding and healing and all the stuff we've been doing since 1987. And I know for a lot of you are like, oh, wow, that goes really, far back, and it does. I remember in high school feeling a shift in the ethers. Didn't know what it was. My creative writing juices came on, but since 1987, we have been seriously tracking in new tracking to get ready for this. And now Spirit Team is saying, as of April 12th through April the 15th, 2026, we now are officially in the time of the Great Awakening, the Sphinx with Regulus, and it's going to be happening over the next 10 years. And Spirit Team, what they've been talking to me about over the weekend and since the weekend, and the gateways, some of the gateways, I mean, you can't even call them gateways because it's like there's a gateway and then it just goes kaboom. I mean, yesterday I was standing out in the yard in the middle of all of this happening and going, like, I could not wrap my brain around it. Because basically what Spirit Team is showing me is the types of things, the escalations, types of things in the awakening we're going to have on the planet from here on out for the next 10 years is going to put everything else to shame. It is like everything else is a microcosm compared to what we're going to be doing over the next 10 years. And like, no wonder the cabal has had ants in their pants to try and lock down everything possible, because we're going to be blowing the doors off things, folks. And I'm kind of like chuckling, and I shouldn't chuckle about this because it is serious stuff. It puts people at risk. It puts property at risk. But the warehouse fires, like, all this has been going off in the ethers energetically, and then I get on social media and I'm like, holy fuck, people are literally lighting things on fire. It's like notice to the toxic patriarchy. We are giving them notice. We are at that fulcrum point, a true fulcrum point. And the power that we have and will have in us energetically from a light field perspective and our ability to go kaboom, like, it's going to eclipse everything else. What they try to do, like the wind begins to get taken out of their sails. We're beginning to see that, a little bit more. And what we do is going to eclipse everything else. They're afraid of us. They're afraid of what they see coming. No wonder they've been trying to do the smash and grab of the power and the money Israeli scorched earth policy of trying to take control of everything. It does not work, people. It does not work, because we are now standing in the window of Regulus lining up in the face of the Sphinx and everything going kaboom. 7 planets in Aries. Are you kidding me? Schumann's off the charts. And it's not just a vibrational off the charts. It's a gateway opening off the charts of kaboom. You are here. You are in it. You signed up for this. And what we do from here on out is and will eclipse everything else up to this point. So even in my subdued state of like no hair, no makeup, oh my God, I today, I'm just really feeling the energy. It's very low energy, but you can see that I'm even coming up through that because there is just so much amazing things that are happening and that will be happening on the planet collectively as a globe. You can feel all of us coming up for air. And with that, change really is happening and will continue to happen. Just know, folks, this window, April 12th, April 15th, into 16th, it's just, remember me doing this, going through the tumblers of Locke? We're in it. That's that Mars, Mercury, Neptune, Saturn, kaboom, we're there. We're there. So I will be coming to you with more about this, but I just wanted to get in front of you and say, holy freaking cow, guys. It's happening. Like, it is happening. It may not seem like it, but it is happening, and Spirit Team is standing on business. And they just remember there was a space-time continuum collapse at the end of March. Then we did the messaging on Ascension cycles are completing. They are completing. And now we are walking through a window of it is the time of the Great Awakening, and the next 10 years eclipses all else. It eclipses all else. We are going to be able to do things that we couldn't even imagine that we could do. We are aligned for that. Wind is in our sails. Okay, I will be back after I recover, hopefully recover from some of this. So that's what I've got for you for now. Thank you for being here. Make sure you keep walking forward to meet those miracles along the way. And I will see you in my next video.